Hey everybody on Facebook, how are you all doing? My name is Elijah, as you all probably know. So Monday, it was October 4th, Monday, Facebook had a major blackout, and several other networks also had blackouts, and so there's rumors and there's talk about Facebook no longer being around. I've warned a lot of my friends and family that if you don't have your contacts, phone numbers, and information, you need to get that information from them if they are only on Facebook and that's the only place that you have that you can talk to them. It's very important because there's a lot of talk and there's a lot of rumors saying that Facebook may be permanently going down here within the next few possibly days to weeks to months. And the other thing that I've been warning a lot of friends and family about is that you need to take a copy of any photos and any videos that are on your timeline that you wish to keep. And basically what that entails, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this here. We're going to go to Facebook here. And this is going to be on my profile, and it's opening up on the big screen, not the right one here. So I'll move it down here, so you all can see my screen here. And what I'm going to show you is, first off, how to collect your videos. So this is your home screen here. Click on your name at the top right here. And we're going to close down Carla's chat here because I'm actually in a call with Carla right now. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on Photos here, and then you're going to click on Albums. And what you're going to do is you're going to tap these three dots right here, and you're going to click Download Album. And when you do this, it's going to say Start Download Process. It's going to say it may take a few minutes for your photos to be ready to download. We'll notify you when they're ready, and then you'll hit Continue on this, okay? And you'll do this for each of the albums that you want to download. Like, I've got all these Sapphire ones, but like I say, I've already got all these downloaded. So within probably 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how many photos are in it and how many albums you have selected, there will be a notification under your notifications here. It'll show where it says your album is ready to download. And what you'll do is you'll tap that notification that'll show up here, and you'll tap Download. There's a notification. Your album profile pictures is ready to download. And all you do is tap that or tap here, and you're going to click it, and it'll pop up. You'll put in your password. Oops, that is not my password. And I just hit F11. Okay. Well, I don't know if that will auto-enter it or not, but I can try.
You know you still have that special effects on your screen.
Yeah, I do. And it's probably glitching. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you click on that notification, this is for your pictures. This is the one that popped up. And then it's going to ask you for your password for your Facebook account. And then once you enter your Facebook account password once for it, then you can hit continue, and then it'll take you to this. What you do is you select somewhere on your computer. I have an extra hard drive, a few of them, as you can see. And what I do is I just select that and then save it, create a new folder, which I created rescued pictures from Facebook, rescued videos from Facebook, and actually that's behind me so you can't see that. Just create a new folder and then save it, rename it and save it, and then hit save here, and it'll save those pictures. I've already got all of them saved, so but you'll hit continue there, and then it'll pop up. Now you'll only have to enter your password once, so what you want to do is you'll want to go and hit the three dots and hit save album on any of the albums that you want to save. And then as far as videos go, we're going to go into videos under your profile, and then you're going to click your videos, and then any videos that you want to save, you're going to click the pencil, and you're just going to hit download HD or download single definition, solo definition, standard definition. HD obviously can be downscaled, but standard definition cannot be upscaled. So there's going to be two versions on any videos that are high definition. If you have a video that is recorded a long time ago with an older camcorder or what have you, then it's only going to show up in standard definition. But if you have a lot of hard drive space, I would highly recommend that you download your videos in high definition because they can be downscaled later. But the difference is that a high definition video is going to take up a lot more hard drive space than a standard definition video. So bear that in mind. And if your device that you're saving them to is limited in space, then you may want to download the standard edition just so you have a video. But you click here, and it's the same process as the video thing, except you're not going to have to wait for a notification to show up. And what you're going to do is you're going to select your area where you want to download these pictures to, which mine is here. This is my backup. And I created a file called Rescued Videos from Facebook. And you click into it, and I've already done this, obviously. And then you just click Save. And if you want to rename the video, you just type in here whatever the name is that you want, hit backspace, and then put in whatever name you want. I'm not going to save this because it's already saved. So that's how you get a copy of all of your videos and all of your photos. Okay, so now there's another thing. There's your Facebook data. And what you're going to do to get a copy of your Facebook data is you're going to go to Settings and Privacy under the arrow, just this arrow right here, Settings and Privacy, and you're going to go to Settings. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Facebook information. What you're going to do is you're going to want to download a copy of your profile, off Facebook activity, activity log, download your information right here, and that is under your Facebook information. What you want to do is you'll do View, and then you're going to select Dates, or you can do All Time, and you can create a file. You want it in HTML and not JavaScript, media quality high, create file. And then what that's going to do is a copy of your information is being created, and then what you're going to do is it'll show up with a notification up here when that file is created, and you can download it. So those are the three things that you're going to want to do if you want to take a copy of your information from Facebook. And an HTML rather, is actually a file that it is on your computer once it's saved, and it shows up to where you can actually select the information and you can view it in your internet browser. So that will include your posts, your messages, your voting location and reminders, saved items and collections. You can actually select what of this information you want to be available in this archive, and you can download it. But I'm not going to download mine because I really don't care about previous messages. However, make sure that if you don't do this, that you have your friends' contact information. I have a feeling, and a lot of people have a feeling, that after what happened on October 4th and Facebook went down, that it's possible that we may no longer have Facebook after a while. And I have seen a lot of people who had friends that were specifically on Facebook who have lost those friends' contact information forever because the website went down. Things like Blog TV in the past, things like MySpace in the past. And what happens is they basically lose that information, and those people are gone, and they can never find them again unless they do a lot of searching. And those people choose to go on another social media website rather than Facebook, or rather than Blog TV, or, MySpace, or what have you. So, with that said, guys, If you need any assistance with this, please feel free to message me. If there's anything that I forgot or left out, please feel free to message me and let me know, and I will be more than happy to assist you in any time that I can. I've been really busy here lately, but I will try and do everything I can to assist you in any way that I can, friends. And if you need my contact information also, please message me and I can give you that contact information if I trust you and want you to have that contact information, okay? Thank you so much, everybody, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, night, evening, and if I don't see you again, just know that I care about you, and you hang in there and stay strong.
Don't pretend.